Good morning. Today I'm going to let you know where the top performing neighborhoods were in Guelph for the month of January in 2020. Now, Guelph saw just a little bit of modest growth for the month of January, despite all of the multiple offer situations that were out there in the marketplace. But there were three neighborhoods in particular that had absolutely astounding growth for the month of January. So let's take a look at where those neighborhoods were. The neighborhood with the largest median sales price gain in January 2020 relative to January of last year was Kortright East with a 42.8% increase. Number 2 on the list is St. George's with a 34.4% increase, and Exhibition Park with a 26.3% increase for the month. With respect to the fastest selling neighborhoods, Kortright West topped the charts with 6 days on market being the median. Exhibition Park was on the list again at 7 days, and Victoria North hit the list for the first time in a long time, which was also 7 days on market. Now, if you're curious to know how your neighborhood is performing relative to all the neighborhoods in the city of Guelph, I've attached the neighborhood market report below. And of course, if you're thinking about buying or selling, whether it's this spring or sometime throughout 2020, please feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out.